Pixel 8 leak reveals Google is shrinking the display. Update, not so fast. Update, the leaker's clarification points to a similar screen size as the Pixel 7. So the updates completely destroyed the original headline.
Yeah.
They go, oh, Pixel 8 renders. It's going to have a bigger screen. Then they go, update, the screen will be exactly the same. Update, this headline shouldn't exist. Update. The design of the Pixel 8 has leaked thanks to renders outed by a trusted tipster. The phone will be smaller than the Pixel 7, but the screen size might be similar. The camera arrangement at the back seems unchanged compared to the Pixel 7. Update as of March 15th, 9:26 a.m. It looks like the Pixel 8 could have a similar screen size as the Pixel 7 after all. So originally, they thought it might go, 6.7? What is OnLeak saying? Some pointed out inconsistencies regarding the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro screen size. I checked again, and it seems indeed I measured diagonals the wrong way. Pixel 8, 6.2 inch, Pixel 8 Pro, 6.7. That being said, overall dimensions remain accurate. Sorry for the mistake. And then it's the emoji with the, what is that, sweat on the brow?
Yeah.
Is that what that is?
But also laughing. Like, forgive me. That's the forgive me face.
Forgive me.
Yeah.
Do you forgive him?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay.
You only get one.
Go back up to the image of it. So it looks a lot like the current model. The bezel does appear to be shrunken.
It seems like it has a shiny bezel?
You mean the frame? Yeah, it looks polished and maybe a little more curved. It's hard to tell here. You still have the Daft Punk visor going on the back.
Yeah.
But I suppose the takeaway here is that even though the overall dimensions might shrink a bit, the display will stay the same. So you may get more screen for your body ratio. Mm-hmm.